Ella De Jesus during the first. Nahali yung kalaban. They want a fiery start. Subalit sila naghahabol kanina.
Ancheta, back set para kay Roses. Kaole, back set for Soyud.
The top players, the top high school players, and bring them over dito sa ating big city.
Samantala, Ellie Soyud. Boy, she's gonna be a force sa darating na UAP. Sa panonood ngayong linggo, ito po ang aming coverage ng Premier Volleyball League sa SND.
They want to bring home this first set as quickly as possible.
Galanza and Galanza.
Unang set.
Regalo para kay Galanza. Tiamzon. Ahumiro pops it up. Roses. Balik dito kay Tiamzon. Players na talagang
promising
lumaban.
yan eh. Oo.
Lumaban ng UAAP. Cross court for attack. Soyud. Tiamzon nakaabang. Ancheta. Back set para kay Roses. Galanza. Ancheta. Villanueva gets roof.
Second block point para dito sa team nila Ellison. Inilayag na yapak nitong si Chang Ancheta kanina lamang.
Roque. Villanueva.
Blocked again.
Bersola. And Cathy Bersola. We're ready for set number.
Itong team ng Perlas.
Itong mga service ni Chang Ancheta on that last hit. At sabi mo nga, what a save by Ancheta.
Ating biennial meet na Southeast Asian Games.
Tsaka bago yun, Coach, meron pa tayong 19th Asian. Chance ball. Romero to a running Riza Cruz.
Sa kanyang pag-set up o pagtitimon.
Soyud.
Lady Falcons sa staff ni Coach Air Pada.
Romero. Galanza.
Galanza.
Alam mo kasamang Anton, sa nakita ko sa mga local players natin.
Bersola faking that one, napatalon si Romero at si Roque.
Sumama yung mga blockers. Good. Misdirection, piston play as well.
Romero setting it up for Roque. Romero. Galanza.
And para dito kay Kat Bersola, who also has 3 block points in her first game of this conference.
Galanza.
Wow.
Ooh. Tindi nun.
Pero mas matindi ang net defense sila Amy Ahumiro at Sue Roses. Just like that. Cheta, eventually, hindi na nakahabol at nakabalik ang foul.
Ponce to Roque over Bersola. Ancheta. Cathy Bersola. Running attack. Galanza with the approach. Galanza with the point. This is a chance ball. Romero. Soyud. Oh!
Narinig sa UAP yan.
Roses, cross court. Romero. Galanza. Galanza over the blockers.
Good coverage by Nicole Chamzon.
Villanueva.
Villanueva. 14-16.
Parang nasa ilalim siya ng bola ron. Tense, di ba?
Trying a different approach today. Bersola.
Bersola.
Nagising. Pagkatapos ng huddle na yun.
Kasi matagal na rin si Ella dito sa ating gilid.
Villanueva.
What a save coming from Tan.
Galanza na naman. De Jesus. Easily put up by Soyud. Roque na naman. A better approach. Sent back. Cheta pops it up. Dan sets it up for Roses. And Ponce sends it back. Woo! Grabe ang sipag. Masyado malakas. It goes long. Adamson University stays alive.
The third set.
Ayun, Coach, si
Looking for their third game at hindi madali yung kanilang kalaban.
Roses, well read by Soyud. 7-2.
Sila 16-11, sabi natin. Pagsapit ng second technical timeout.
De Jesus. Romero, back set. Soyud. Romero. Ancheta. To De Jesus. Galanza. Jem Ferrer.
Both playing together.
Ferrer to Ahumiro.
meters.
Again,
into the
panay ang
block.
punta ni Jack Ferrar sa gitna.
Sana lang.
Different vantage point, not playing the first 3 sets. Probably able to read.
To De Jesus. Walang sumabay na
Uy,
blocker.
wala nakamarka.
Bersola.
And the
Tinapos
set
na ang laban.
ends the match.
Unang panalo ng Pearl Spikers. Na rin ang nakamit ngayong linggo.